The screams, the scares, the haunted fun, it's all a part of spooky season, but at some attractions, you can't enter until you sign a waiver.
So before we get into the details of the law, we want to know how you feel about haunted houses. Is it a yes or is it a no? And while you're answering, we're going to bring in Christine Zaremski-Young from Edgar Snyder Associates. She's here to make sure that we don't waver on waivers.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, all right. So thank you for being here.
Well, thank you for having me.
I know people have a lot of questions about this. And first up, when you sign a waiver, are you really giving away your rights? Like, what are you giving away?
It actually depends. I know a lawyer answer, it depends.
Yes.
It really depends on what the language is, how it's presented to you, how you found out about it. So there's a lot of different facts that go into it.
Yeah, and so I'm curious, if you sign a waiver, and let's just say you get injured, something happens to you at one of these places, do you still have rights?
You still have rights.
Can you still sue?
You can still sue. You can definitely still sue. Again, it really boils down to what is the language of the waiver and how is it presented to you. Okay. There are different exceptions to them to find the waivers, for example, not to be valid. Some of them are if they're against public policy.
Okay.
If it's ambiguous, if the language wasn't clear, you weren't really informed about the rights that you were giving up, or if it was hidden from you. And it might not be hidden in terms of maliciously hidden, but if it's on the back of a ticket.
Right.
Or
if the print's really small.
Really tiny, exactly.
Yeah, I mean,
yes.
Sometimes you can't see, and you're either, like, if you don't sign it, you don't move forward, right?
Exactly. Yep, and sometimes it's presented to you afterwards. I know my daughter actually recently went to a haunted house with her friend, and we were looking into the tickets, and we didn't get the waiver until after we actually purchased the tickets already. So it's those kind of things to keep in mind.
Yeah, they didn't know who they were dealing with.
No.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so
I've trained my daughter well, so they also didn't know how to deal with her. So.
well, speaking of young people, I mean, are waivers for minors, are they legally binding? Because you're signing the waiver, but on their behalf, I mean, does that count?
It does not count. A waiver that's signed by somebody under the 18 is not legally enforceable. And as a parent or a guardian, you can't sign away a minor's rights.
Okay.
So they are not enforceable.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Well, what if you get to one of these events and you just absolutely refuse to sign a waiver? What happens if you don't? Can you still participate?
You have every single right to refuse to sign a waiver, but a business owner also has a right to say, no, you're not allowed to participate in this event.
Does it come down to, I mean, I know your initial answer was it depends, you know, but like if you find yourself in a situation where you've signed something but you want to pursue legal action, I mean, if you find the right lawyer, you can move forward probably, right? I mean, there are all sorts of ways to think about it, right?
All different outside the box ways to approach it. It really depends, again, of the language that was utilized, whether or not somebody was fully informed about the rights that they were giving up, whether or not it was presented to them in a format that they could hear it, read it, see it, understand it.
Yeah.
So a ton of different factors. So a waiver is not a kill card. It's just something you have to think a little bit more about your approach and how you're going to be moving forward.
Oh, well, so much to think about. Gone are the days you can just go to the haunted house and have a good time.
Well, no, thank you so much for joining us and talking to us about it, because people don't understand when they're signing it for sure. All right, you've answered a lot of our questions.
Thank you.
And before we go, we want to show you the final tally on today's megaphone question. Haunted houses, fright or flight? And most of you are saying flight. Because
good job.
Yes, because you're saying no, not into haunted houses.
Yeah, all right. Well, thanks to Edgar Snyder Associates for sponsoring today's straight to the point conversation. All right, still to come, a pop star and a former